In this video, we'll show you how to create a route on your Garmin eTrex 22X or 32X. So a route is just a series of waypoints that allows you to follow a certain path. So in this case, we're in a different city and there is a walking path around. I want to do a circuit around it. So what I'm going to do here on my eTrex here, I'm going to go down to Route Planner, press the joystick, I'm going to create a route, and I'm going to select the first point, which is a waypoint, and I have a whole bunch of options here. If I've done this before, or somebody sent me a GPX file, then I can use waypoints. I've taken photos, recent finds, addresses, and all that. We're going to use the map in this case. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start to build our route here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to zoom out here to make sure that I'm starting at the right spot, which is over here. And let me just zoom in here. So that I'm going to start at this location, right? And then now I can start using add more points. So for example, I want to follow this blue path like that. And what I want to do, there's a bridge here, pedestrian bridge. I want to go across that. All right, so now we've added the points. We added 4 points on our circuit or our route. Notice here we have a total distance accumulated. And you notice here the lines are straight lines, point A to B. Now let me hit back and I'll show you how we can change this in a second. But you can see here, we go back, we've built in the route. We can add on to this route anytime we want. And from here, we have our route created. We can view the map, elevation plot. We can give it a name. We can reverse the route if you're doing an out and back, and we can delete the route. So what we're going to do here is we're going to fix the navigation. It's doing off-road or hiking navigation, which is straight lines as the crow flies. So what we're going to do, we're going to change that because the map on the eTrex 22 supports turn-by-turn navigation. So we're going to go under the setup, and we're going to scroll down to routing. And from here, the guidance method, set for off-road, that's straight lines. And now we can change the navigation for on-road, for time, for distance, or prompted. I'm going to change it to prompted. And we're going to go back. So now when we go outside to do our route, you can simply go into our route planner, select our route. I'm going to view the map. You can see our 4 points that we created. We're going to select go. And we're going to choose our type of navigation. So we're going to do on-road for distance, which will now do the turn-by-turn navigation. And there you go. You see how the path or the route adjusted to follow the road. And there we go. That's how we do routes on the Garmin eTrex 22X and 32X.